Hello and welcome to video instructions. I will talk about the assignment. First is to download the files to your computer or flash drive. Then you open AutoCAD and open border drawing. Okay, let's zoom into the title block and input your name. Input today's date. Next is we're gonna use XRef to attach detail 1 drawing. So let's type in XRef. Press the enter key. And the XRef reference manager window is displayed. Okay. Click on this icon, attach drawing, and select detail 1. Click open button. And click OK. Let's use our wheel to zoom in, zoom out the drawing. And for the insertion point, select this upper left-hand corner intersection. Okay. Next, we're gonna attach drawing items 1 and 2. So the external reference manager is still open. Click on the icon attach drawing and select items 1 and 2. Click open. Click OK. For the insertion point, select this endpoint. Next, we're gonna attach items 3 and 4 drawing. Click on the icon in the external reference manager and select items 3 and 4. Click open. Click OK. And let's place it around. You're going to be inside the border approximately right there. Okay. Next, we're going to import a PDF. Okay. So let's go ahead and close this external reference manager window. And let's type in import. Press enter and select bill of material. Okay. Click open. And want to make sure that we're going to check this one in the location category. Click on the specify insertion point on screen. And also on this import options, click on the inside box, import as block. Click OK. And let's select the bottom left hand corner insertion point right here, intersection point. Okay. Click on it. Okay. Notice the bill material's been attached. Zoom out. Okay. To look like the assignment, let's use the move tool. Move. Select this bill of material. Press enter. Specify base point and select the corner right here. And select the endpoint there. There we go. Now we've created a composite drawing of the TC support assembly. So save drawing and submit in Blackboard.